See, my sense is that Friday was bad news, but Nifty only fell 50 points, Bank Nifty only 400. I mean, on another day it should have fallen 800 to 1000. So, either we can be Lakir ka Fakir technical analyst, that trend is down, etc., etc. What I am looking at is we made a sentiment low on Friday, but we didn't make a price low, which means we should have broken last Monday's low of 11,980, 12,000. So what I am interested in is that today on declines I want to buy, because sentiment is totally down to zero. Everybody expects markets to go lower. So if you get another 200 point downside on Bank Nifty, you could get 50 points lower than Friday's low. That for me would be a buying zone. So I still think we are kind of sideways, and this is a reaction to the upside which we saw week before last. So I am a buyer as we get closer to 12,050 thereabout. I think Reliance and Bharti will still show you upside. So out there, Reliance is a buy with a stop of 1480, target of 1540. Bharti remains a buy with a stop of 558, target of 580. And then you have sells. Century Textile is a sell with a stop of 586, target of 570. Tata Elxsi is a sell with a stop of 1060, target of 1000. And Eicher is a sell with a stop of 18,950 and look for targets of about 18,500.
In fact, we have some negative or short positions on the Bank Nifty. I spoke about Bank Nifty breaking below levels of around 31,100, and below that we've taken some shorts with the stop just above that. So I am slightly negative on the Bank Nifty, but broadly I still believe that both the indices are doing a range bound consolidation, but the Bank Nifty could mildly underperform and hit the lower end of the range faster than the Nifty, and those levels would be close to about 30,650 as the first support pivot and 30,200 for the Bank Nifty as the second support pivot. On the Nifty, the levels are 12,100 and we are very close to that, and then comes 12,000 and 11,990 as the range, which is a critical support area. I have two buys and two sells. On the buy side, HCL Tech and IT stocks are slightly better placed, so I picked up HCL Tech as the buy with a stop at 612 for targets of 646. Lupin is a buy with a stop at 710 for targets of 733. And on the sell side, Oil India can be sold. Keep a stop at 133, look for targets of 124. And Cubans is also a short or sell call in the short term. And here I would suggest selling on a mild bounce to about 538, 539 zones. Keep a stop at 548, look for 520 as the target area.
I think 12,000 seems to be a strong support zone, 12,005. That's a psychological support as well. But so far the trend is still down, I would say that. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, possibly not much downside, maybe around 30,630. That's the immediate support closer to there. So possibly we could feel some supports there. Whether it holds for a week or not is difficult to say. But yes, it's still around 12,000 would be a strong support to work with. I think I'll go with the two buys to sell as well. Balkrishna Industries looks perhaps can go up from here. Target on the upside is 1180, stop below 1143. And Bharti Airtel, yes, I think is heading to levels closer to 582, stop below 554. Two stocks weak. Ambuja Cement looks weak to me. Very good chance we can see a slide to maybe zones around 201, stop about 207. And Hero Motors also is looking weak to me. I think we should see a slide to levels closer to 2,300, stop about 2380.